Eso creo. Eso creo is a great phrase. Eso creo. If you want to say, I think so, or I believe so. Okay? Creo comes from the verb creer, creer, double E, C-R-E-E-R, like this. Creer, that's the verb, not conjugated. But if you want to say this, you need this. Creo, creo. Creo means to believe, okay? So it doesn't mean to think. Pensar means to think. Creer means to believe, okay? But when you use the phrase eso creo, it's similar to saying I think so, I believe so, okay? Creo, yo creo, I believe. When you have eso, I think so, I believe so, okay? Excellent, excellent. Let's look at some examples using eso creo. Él vendrá mañana. Él vendrá mañana. Sí, eso creo. I forgot the period here. Sí, eso creo. So if someone asks, ¿él vendrá mañana? Someone can answer, sí, eso creo. Sí, eso creo. You can add sí, eso creo. Usually, well, I gotta say, if you want to say eso creo, it has to be positive. So, sí, you need to use sí if you want. I mean, you don't need to use sí, but you can use sí. Sí, eso creo. You cannot say no, eso creo. No, eso creo doesn't make sense. No. I'll tell you how to make this negative, okay? Él vendrá mañana. Él vendrá mañana. Okay, what does this mean? Will he come tomorrow? And the answer is, yes, I believe so. Okay, or yes, I think so. Same thing. Now, if you want to make this negative, you cannot say no, eso creo. No. No, 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 no. You need to say no. No creo. Okay? No, no creo, or just no creo. Okay? No creo. So you only have to replace eso with no. No. But if you say sí, oh, by the way, if you say no creo, I don't think so. No creo means I don't think so. So if I say sí, eso creo, that means yes, I believe so. Okay? So positive, negative. Now you know how to say it in a positive way or negative way. Él vendrá mañana. Will he come tomorrow? Okay? That's what it means. So, él, he, vendrá, will come. Okay? This comes from the verb venir, which means to come. This is future tense. Mañana, tomorrow. Tomorrow. Okay? Mañana. Sí. Yes. Eso creo. I believe so. Okay? So, easy breezy. Nothing too complicated here. Let's move on. We have one more example, and that's going to be it, guys. Thank you to everyone who's been watching right until the end, almost the end of the stream. Thank you so much. Now, ¿estás lista para el viaje? ¿Estás lista para el viaje? Eso creo. You can just say eso creo. You don't have to say sí. As I said before, you can just say eso creo, and that's fine. And that means I think so. I believe so. So, what is the question? Are you ready for the trip? Are you ready for the trip? I think so. Sometimes it takes a lot of planning when going on a trip. So This question can be asked often. ¿Estás lista para el viaje? Eso creo. Are you ready for the trip? I think so. Okay? So, ¿estás lista? Means, are you ready? ¿Estás lista? Are you ready? You can even use this question by itself. ¿Estás lista? Are you ready? Okay? In this situation, we are saying lista because lista is the feminine form. Maybe you're asking this to a female or someone who identifies as a female, so then you can say lista, okay? Lista. The masculine form is listo. Okay? Plural form, listos. Okay? And listos usually, you will say están listos. Are you ready? Plural. Okay? Singular, feminine. ¿Estás lista? Are you ready? For el viaje, the trip. Okay? And then the answer, eso creo. I think so. Okay? So this is a common phrase. You can say eso creo if you want to say I think so or I believe so. Sorry, I forgot that. My bad, guys. My bad. I corrected that. So yeah, eso creo, I think so, I believe so.